We have what we call our Onyx line, and this one right now is fitted with a scissor. This is a very common instrument. They will use it for every procedure.
Silex Medical specializes in surgical instruments used for laparoscopic procedures.
So they will have one instrument in one hand and then another one here, so they are manipulating this.
They're the little guy in a very crowded field, but they fill an important niche for the 250 hospitals they serve.
More and more instruments. Every month they've been getting instruments from us because they love the instrument.
Silex owner Carlos Lara works closely with his customers, designing instruments based on doctors' requests.
That's how we feel we can compete and we can provide a better service to the industry. We need to expand our range.
And that's why they've been fine-tuning this, an instrument designed for the growing number of female surgeons.
They came to us and they were like, why we don't have a handle fitted for our hand? It's harder for us to reach, we're getting tired, our hands are smaller. Our new instrument is, they have interchangeable rings, so this one will fit a smaller hand, but they can also just take it out and fit it with this other ring. And all of this is, they can sterilize it all together, and this will fit a larger hand.
Silex is also working on an instrument for pediatric surgeries.
We are also trying to participate in smaller instruments like for children surgery. So we are starting to develop a 3mm instrument.
The surgical instruments all handmade by Silex's 7 employees.
We are 100% made in the US, 100% made in Connecticut most of the time, so we can fulfill orders quicker than other companies because we have everything here.
Lara bought Silex a decade ago. He had no medical experience whatsoever. His expertise was in manufacturing.
They wanted to spin off the medical division, and that's when we came in.
The instruments are reusable, and that cuts costs for hospitals. While many instrument companies moved toward disposable, Silex stayed true to its original mission, where quality comes first.
We didn't think that that was the trend of the industry, and it has proven that way.
Reusable instruments, at the end of the day, is going to be a better investment for the hospitals.